It's Mike from Mike Visuals. I'm a travel filmmaker and I'm here in the Isle of Skye with Canon. It's going to be an amazing adventure with the G7X Mark III and we're in the perfect playground to test that out. So let's do this. Alright, so we made it here, a quick pit stop to test out the slow motion capabilities, recording the quarter speed internally, and the waterfall is the perfect subject to do that. I love that the G7X Mark III has a built-in mic jack, so I can plug in my professional mic, really increases the production value, no background noise, and I can just be reassured that I'm getting clean audio for the vlog all around. And one of the ways I love to capture it is through time lapses. The G7X has an internal time-lapse feature and it's so quick and easy to use, and this is the result. Alright, so we've just made it to this really nice small town and we're going to switch the G7X 4K and just capture some detail. Giving us access after hours to explore all of the rooms, and the sun is getting pretty low, so we're going to bump the ISO up to 3200, keep the aperture quite low to around 1.8, and let's see what we can find. Alright, and that's a wrap in the Isle of Skye. Although we haven't had the best weather conditions, I've had a lot of fun using the G7X Mark III. It's just so portable and versatile in any situation we've thrown it in, and I can't wait to take it on my next adventure.